everyone, welcome back. Today I have two special people on my channel, my parents.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi. Today my mom will be showing us a new recipe. It's a Marathi recipe. It's called Ambat Varan. It's a tangy, sweet and spicy combination of a dal. So let's see how she makes it. Come on.
Here we have 1 cup tur dal or pigeon peas washed, soaked in water and hydrated for 30 minutes. We will add the onion and spices and pressure cook for 3 whistles. The detailed recipe with the exact measurements is in the description box, so don't worry about missing out on any steps. The spice box she is using is a traditional box and every Indian household has it to store their unique spices they use on a daily basis. Now just mix and pressure cook the dal. Once cooked, we will wait for the pressure to release before going ahead with the recipe. Both my parents are 80 plus and they live all by themselves managing things together. My dad helps her with little chores like peeling garlic, cleaning veggies when needed and also with the laundry. It's amazing to see how they have managed stuff and especially during the lockdown last year. My mom learned online banking, online ordering stuff, online payments, Zoom with her friends. She's also still actively participating in social service every week. She is one of the best cooks. I got the opportunity to be with them and spend quality time with them, creating some great memories for life. Now let's get back to the recipe. Once the dal is cooked, we will mash it and whisk it until smooth and add the rest of the ingredients. This recipe brings back sweet memories of my childhood as she used to make such amazing new dishes for us every day. Jaggery will balance the spice and tang. This is a very simple yet very yummy dal. Save some coriander for the garnishing. If you have ready tamarind pulp, you can use that, or you can soak the tamarind in water and then extract the pulp. Tamarind will give a nice tangy flavor to the dal. You can adjust the water again as per the consistency you like. Bring to a boil, mix well and lower the flame while we make the tempering. This dal has a perfect balance of tang, sweet, spice and fat in it. Mash the garlic slightly to release the flavor. Here we have mustard seeds and fenugreek seeds. Their quantities are mentioned below. Let the mustard seeds crackle and then add the garlic and asafoetida. Cook until brown and flavorful. The kitchen is filled with this awesome garlic aroma. Add the tempering directly to the dal, switch off the flame and cover for a minute or 2. Garnish with coriander leaves and enjoy. This looks amazing.
Let me see how it is. Oh my god, this is out of the world. You know what they say? If you like the food, kiss the chef. And the sous chef.
Oh.
If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And I'll see you next week. Bye.
Bye.